To go to menu and then what? Maintenance menu, maintenance, restore to default, select all, and then what? Restoring. So meaning what? I'll reset everything. I'll remove all the connection. Only what? Only mouse cable,
HDMI,
and, HDMI cable, and the power cable. Now this reset. I have reset the NVR. There is no password, anything. It's like brand new now. Okay. So the system is rebooting. This is the T&D brand. So it's coming with language is English. So it asks the password. What is the password I'm going to give it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to give it 1, 2, 3, 4 abcd.com. What is the password? 1, 2, 3, 4 abcd.com. So I'll repeat the same password here. I'll copy that because it has a copy option here. Copy, and I'll type it a one number and show it, and then paste it. So it's easy. So next, the pattern. So I'll enable a patterns. And if you know security questions, you already know how to do this. So I'm not giving any of them. So next, and I'll say what? No need to show any lookup. Is that halas? The NVR is ready. NVR is ready. Now there are two IP interfaces. No, there are two IP interfaces. One is the internal, another one is what?
external.
So how do I find the internal network IP address? Right click, go to what? Menu. So I'll go to the menu here. And this menu totally different than the what? This one. But everything is there, same as it is. You will go to what now? Settings. Under the setting you find a what? Network. And under the network, you see that network card. Network card. Under the network card, we have a network card 1. Another network card is what? PSEN. PSEN being what? Power over Ethernet network card. Or power supply Ethernet network card is there. So which is PSEN is the internal. PSEN is what? PSEN is internal. Network card 1 is what? External. Okay. So okay, here the same NVR, in the NVR, we call this as a what now? We call this as what? PSEN. And this is what? This is called PSEN and this is called network card 1. So meaning network card 1 is external, PSEN is what? Internal. So you can see this is also T&D brand. This is also T&D. So which is, we call that PSEN. And this is called network card. So if I select a PSEN network card here, what is the IP address says? The default IP is what? 3, yeah?
3.
You can see the gateway is what? 3. Meaning the camera will get the IP address as what? 3. If you connect your camera here, you take your camera and I'm going to connect it now on the port number 1. The camera will get now the IP address is what? 3 series. 3 series, na? Because there it was what? I don't remember. 150, no?
Yes.
Internal IP we gave it for that one is 150.
Yes.
Now right now the internal IP is what? Internal IP which is 3. You understand? 3. So now go to your camera. How do we go to camera here? Now you see that the camera is already connected. 3 dot what? 240. You see that 3.240. So if you connect a one more camera, I have another one more camera here. I'll just connect it back, and this is also become what? 3 series. So right click, go to what? Menu, and now I think I connected only the port number 2 or 3. It automatically will become here. It will detect and list the camera here in a while. So this is internal camera port. There are 4 ports there. There are 4 ports. This is 4 channel only. This NVR is only 4 channel. So that camera, the camera that I connected is still not yet detected. If it doesn't detect, maybe it has a cable issue. I don't know if the cable is working or not.
Maybe you want to
There is no improvement.
go back to
I think
setting
only
again.
one camera. I think that has a cable issue. I believe it has a cable issue. So still nothing is detected. So I don't know whether the cable is working or not. We will change the cable. So I have a network cable. We will change them. Okay. I'll connect this cable back to the same camera now. So this is 100% tested cable, so it will come now. Okay, it is already what? Detected. 242. So it shows the camera there. And also I have another one more camera, which is PT set, but PT set will take a little bit time.
Why do you take a picture? Why do you take time?
Why it takes time, huh? It takes time because to do is self-testing. The camera has a self-testing features. For example, if you give a power, it will do its self-testing first, then only configure on the what? NVR. Because it require more high power, therefore it will take a little bit time to do its self-testing. So the NVR already I connected, it's giving a power, it's a 12 voltage power, it's given already here from the NVR. So it will do some self-testing first, then only it will connect it. It's all the PT sets same like that.
This TND cameras is.
So now it's doing a self-testing.
Yes, that's what my question. Who controls the motion? The guys in the control room? Who?
Yeah, they can control it. Okay, after that, the IP address will be assigned. Go to here. Still not yet assigned. It will come in a while. I think I connected port number 2. Yeah, now it's connected for 241. So the camera is already live. This is the camera which is already connected here. We have options here for PT set. Right click and
I think these pictures are different from the
yeah, because it has a PT set controller, so you can rotate. So it has more features. You can zoom in and zoom out, and this is zoom out option. So if you zoom in, it gets zoomed in here, like that. Okay. So it takes in. Okay. I zoom out. So I'll take a zoom out here.
focus.
So there are many things there like that. And also you can enable automatic rotation and zooming. So it autofocus rotations. If you enable this one, it automatically keep rotating and saving.
But if I want to.
Rotating. And also you can enable motions. There are many features available on this. Key focus also, you can enable a key focus areas. So this is PTZ. Alright.
So,
And
the
also voice.
the key.
audio features.
The
which
key
can record
focus
it.
is area that I can use it when I want to auto recording that I'm not controlling. It can record the room without me,
Yeah, it can.
without my presence.
Yeah.
It can move by
Yeah,
itself.
move itself. Motion record also is there.
Mhm.
Okay.
So you can direct it to a particular places that you
Yeah.
want it to.
Yes.
And leave.
How can you do that?
You can set up and leave it. Now if this is rotating, no, you can go and stop the video. Sorry, go to double click and get the PT set controller here. This is PT set controller. Stop it, and you can focus on. You can adjust the way you want. You can take. I don't know whether it's correct. This is your just keep and leave it, and it's keep recording like that. And also some more options are there. If you log into the camera, next class I'll teach about how to go and log into the camera and do some settings on the camera. If you enable such settings on the camera and configure such a way, and it will do accordingly. When someone is motion or entering, just follow up him wherever he go and like that. Always is follow him. Based on that is keep rotating. Mm.
One more crazy question.
Mm.
The internal IP address.
Mm.
If I copy this IP address and paste it in the browser, does it goes anywhere?
Yeah.
Can you show us? Can
You mean the
Like-
IP address of the camera?
Yes,
You want to see it in the browser. I'll teach you next class. okay?
without app.
Yeah, I'll teach you. Next class I'll teach you.
So it's not a crazy question.
Alright. That's all today. It's 9:30, yeah? Or any questions?